The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a special marine warning for Chesapeake Bay north of Pools Island, Maryland, the Tapsco River including Baltimore Harbor, Chesapeake Bay from Pools Island to Sandy Point, Maryland, Chester River to Queenstown, Maryland, Eastern Bay, Chesapeake Bay from Sandy Point to North Beach, Maryland, Choptank River to Cambridge, Maryland, and the Little Choptank River until 6:15 p.m. At 4:06 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of thunderstorms capable of producing wind gusts in excess of 50 knots from 10 nautical miles west of Hanover Street Bridge to 20 nautical miles west of Mill, moving east to 25 knots. This line of thunderstorms will be near the Tapsco River including Baltimore Harbor, Chesapeake Bay from Pools Island to Sandy Point, Maryland, Chesapeake Bay from Sandy Point to North Beach, Maryland, Eastern Bay, Chester River to Queenstown, Maryland, Choptank River to Cambridge, Maryland, and the Little Choptank River, Chesapeake Bay north of Pools Island, Maryland. Wind gusts of at least 50 knots, locally high waves and dangerous lightning can be expected. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until the storm passes. Report severe weather to the Coast Guard or nearest law enforcement agency. They will relay your report to the National Weather Service.
The official National